Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and welcome to another NFT tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new platform called Talago.io. It's a fantastic platform which allows you to advertise on Telegram. But before we do get into that, if you guys could go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, it would mean a ton as we're trying to hit our end goal of 100,000 subscribers. So if you like NFT related content, make sure to hit that sub button. With that out of the way, let's get right into this tutorial of Talago and what it has to offer. So if you're in the NFT space, you've definitely heard of the platform called Telegram. It's very similar to Discord. I have a lot of experience in Discord, not so much Telegram, but Telegram is still a fantastic option in marketing your NFT project. With Talago, you can actually set up campaigns and advertisements in Telegram to generate more eyes towards your very own NFT project. So once again, huge shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Let's get started by creating an account, which you can do in the top right. I'll enter in my email and it's going to ask you want to have newsletters received on or off. You can check whatever you want and create the account. So on the main page, it's going to be the Telegram channels, and this is very similar to what like a Discord server channels. Just think of all of these as Discord servers if you're not familiar with the Telegram platform. It's all really unique and easy to follow along, so I'll basically showcase what everything means. So this is going to be the Discord server name, or not Discord server, so the Telegram server name, along with the description of what the Telegram server is about, and then it showcases how many people are actually inside this server. So for example, the system updates of MIUI has 91,000 followers, and it also has the sex ratio, which is 75% to 25%, favoring in the male section. It also has the amount of views per publication, as well as the average reach per post. So each post is going to reach 28.4% of the people inside this Telegram channel. It also has the CPM, which is going to be the amount it's going to cost per 1,000. So essentially you'll be paying $1 per 1,000 people in this Telegram, which is relatively cheap. Now there's so many different options to choose from, and the CPM is going to range a ton. As you can see in this Telegram server, it only has 8,000 members and the CPM is crazy. It's $37, really expensive, but that is because if you're trying to advertise in a crypto news Telegram, that's a really good idea because that's the exact market you want. You wouldn't really want to advertise in, let's say, a movies channel if you're advertising your NFT project, because hey, they're in there for movies. They don't care about NFTs, but crypto bros, they'll definitely care about your NFT project, which is why it makes it more valuable. Now, one of the things I really like about Telegram marketing is how many people involved in crypto use this platform. It's very popular within the crypto space, and a lot of people, you'll notice, communicate via Telegram, making it a fantastic marketing option. What's really cool with Talago is that you can actually do more than just advertising. You can add bots to your own Telegram server, which is very cool. Now, if you want to find those cryptocurrency channels, you can go to topics and select cryptocurrencies, and that will weed out all of the channels that you don't want. And here we have NFT Metaverse. That looks like a great one. And there's a whole bunch more that look fantastic that you can advertise in. You can also set the different amount of followers, CPM, all of that to your liking to really weed out the exact type of channel that you want. Now, if you want to see an example of what your ad might look like, I was provided this by the Talago team. So it has the video, which is 40 seconds long, as well as a nice little title and some additional information below, and then a link to their website. So pretty standard, looks pretty good, and could generate you some good marketing results. So overall, you can launch an ad campaign with a few clicks on this platform. I'm sure they're going to be adding even more features within it. So even if you don't want to make an ad campaign, I highly suggest just looking into the website itself and at least seeing the different offers they have. But yeah, that's going to be my review of Talago Telago, just another marketing platform in which you can market your NFTs on. Like I said before, I don't use Telegram a whole lot compared to a Discord, but this definitely has shown me that there is a lot of uses within the Telegram platform, and using Telago could be an option in your marketing efforts. Well guys, that's going to conclude the video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, and peace. See you guys later.
Thank you for watching the video.